Getting there is no problem. The problem is getting back. Two professors from Arizona State University were among a panel of space experts who expressed the need for continued stable funding to space exploration. ASU was selected to build cameras for the Mars Rover 2020. It's a project that Dr. Christensen says has been approved to get to Mars, but without continued funding would not return with core samples.
We have the first piece of the Mars sample return campaign. We have a rover. But we need the second piece and the third piece, and we need the technologies to develop those.
One futuristic project explained to a House subcommittee yesterday is the concept of asteroid mining, a project that has ASU's Dr. Bell excited about one specific resource.
The water inventory and water extraction efforts will be the most compelling.
Another of the ongoing planetary missions is to explore one of Jupiter's moons, Europa.
It's this fascinating little icy body that has an ocean under an icy shell. What's in that ocean? You know, it's not fantasy to say there could be life in that ocean.
Everyone on the panel agreed on the appeal of these programs, but the question is, how far into space is Congress willing to go? In Washington, D.C., Stephen Hicks, Cronkite News.